Hello guys, good day. This is Ferdy again of Continuity TV Japan. And ngayon i-unveil natin yung orders for week 13 to week 15 ng Supreme. Bali from November 16 up to November 30 yun. So paalala ko lang guys, meron tayong giveaway ngayon. Supreme and Nike Air Force 1 Mid in your preferred colorway and size. Ilalagay ko yung details regarding that sa January. Magre-release ako ng video. And as of now, ito na yung mga orders natin.
For this week, napaka-unfortunate kasi dalawa lang yung nagpa-order sa atin, si Sir Yehel and si Sir Jules. And at least may mga ganun talagang week. At saka siguro hindi rin kilala ng tao yung Hysteric Glamour, kaya ganun. And maganda naman yung designs, pero having said that guys, ito na yung in-store orders natin. Unahin muna natin yung Bear Brick. So sa Bear Brick, I cannot open this up kasi gusto ni Sir Jules na siya yung mag-open. This is the Elmo Chrome version for 100 and 100%. Ito yung makikita nyo sa loob. Ayan, tapos ito naman yung likod niya. Maraming salamat kay Sir Jules. By the way, this is the retail price for this one, 14,300 yen for transparency. Next natin is for Sir Yehel. This is from the lottery. 5,000 yen lang yung ticket para lang manalo. Si Sir Yehel, ito yung napanalunan niya. So, I only sell this for 3,000 pesos. And ayan, kitang-kita niyo naman. This is from the brand Example. Under MFC store siya. Ayan. Yun yung tag. And para kay misis niya daw to. So, ayun. Maraming salamat, sir, sa pag-order nito. So, dalawa lang yung nahook natin sa in-store. So, online, napakarami. Starting with this one. Ito yung kay Sir NB. L size. Ayan. This came from Sneaker Dunk, kaya may authentication card sa loob. And ayan yung kanyang design. And ito rin sa kanya. Supreme Lollipop Tee, size L, Sneaker Dunk, authentication card. As you can see, si Sir Johnson nagpa-order sa atin ng collaborative shirt. Yung mga online exclusive lang. This is from the Bape online store. And ito yung 2XL, 11,000 yen. Ayan. So, si Sir Yehel, ganun din, 2XL. This is a collaboration shirt again. Ayan, 11,000 yen. Next up is si Sir Yehel. Again, this is Bape 2XL, 11,000 yen. Kay Sir Yehel din to. Ito yung ating Dorothy. Ayan. Sinuot ko to dati sa vlog. And ito ay 2,990 yen. 3,000 yen, mga 1,200 pesos yung equivalent. And also this one, Cosmic Noise. Para siyang design ng Supreme dati. Ayan. Size L. Ito, hindi ko napapakita yung mga Geo Undercover. And yung mga dumating natin from Atmos Online Store. Siguro mamaya na yun. Sir Jan, nagpa-order ng slides, Bape slides. And it came from Sneaker Dunk. Ayan, may verified authentic. As you can see, this is the Bape slides in the yellow colorway. Ayan, para siyang Yeezy slides. So, ayan lang siya. This is the forefoot area. Ito yung lateral side. Ayan. And this is the medial side. Ito naman yung kanyang footbed. Ayan. And this is the outsole. Of course, it came from Sneaker Dunk, kaya may authentication card. Makikita niyo talaga na lahat ng mga items na binibenta natin is authentic. Ito pala yung box niya. Regular Bape box lang. And nandito yung size, pati yung retail price. Ayun. Next natin is the Nike Dunk High Retro Premium. I think this is what we call the Wu-Tang Clan Dunks. And this one is for Sir Ninja. Premium yung box niya, unlike the other Dunks. Grabe. If familiar kayo sa Wu-Tang Clan, iconic sila nung 90s. Pati ako idol ko sila. And my favorite song by them is Cash Rules Everything Around Me or Cream. So, ayun. They are from the east side. Maganda rin ang mga songs nila. Favorite rapper ko dun is si Method Man. So ito, slightly better materials than the usual Dunks. Para siyang Michigan State, yung colorway niya. And meron siyang authentication card, as you can see. And this is from Sneaker Dunk. Kaya meron din siyang authentication tag, verify authentic. Ayan, Sneaker Dunk. And napaka-plush ng materials niya. And ito yung forefoot area. This is the lateral side. Ayan yung logo ng Wu-Tang Clan. There you go. This is the medial side. So, meron din silang Japan tag dito. Kaya makikita nyo yung dyan, black tag. Sa tongue area niya, makikita nyo yung Wu-Tang Clan logo. Ayan. And this is the heel tab. Ito naman yung kanyang outsole. Maraming salamat kay Sir Ninja. Grabe, na-appreciate ko tong sapatos na to kasi fan na fan din ako ng hip-hop. And doon din ako natuto magsulat ng mga aking mga poems. So next one is for Ma'am Princess. And this came from Sneaker Dunk also. Nandito yung kanyang updated tag. 17,050 yung kanya retail price. Meron ditong authentication card from them. Ayan. Thank you, it says there. This is the brown one. Meron siyang Supreme Extra Lace. Baroque brown colorway. Supreme Air Force once again. Countless of times. And ito yung, niya. This is the forefoot area. May dubre siya doon na Supreme AF1. As you can see, dito sa lateral side, you can see the Supreme BOGO or box logo. Ayan, both pairs. Medial side is only regular. So the tongue area has this Supreme box logo in the Baroque brown colorway. Japan tag, of course, since this is a Japan release. Insole logo. And this is the heel tab. This is the outsole. Thank you so much, Ma'am Princess. And last but not the least, ito yung favorite ko sa ngayong week na ito. Tingnan natin yung isang Japan exclusive na nirelease ng Atmos. And this is the Gel Kayano 14 in the colorway of cream/whisper green. In this size, 28.5 centimeters or US 11 sa A6 sizing. And regular A6 box lang siya. This is what we call the A6 Gel Kayano Yako Take. This is the forefoot area. This is the lateral side with the Gel Kayano 14 branding right there. And the medial side niya is ganito. Insole is very special. It's like glow-in-the-dark hints. And the tongue area consists of the A6 logo. Ayan, regular A6 arch logo. And dito rin, parehas din sa heel tab, and this is the outsole. So, papakita ko na sa inyo kung gaano ka-special to. Kasi, pag nasa dilim tayo, so, ito yung gamit nating light. Patayin ko lang yung ating light dito sa harap, no? Ayan. So, makikita nyo, dito pala nag-glow na siya. Ito, patayin natin ilaw. So, there you go. Very special pair of A6. And i-review rin natin siya sa glow-in-the-dark. This is the forefoot area again. This is the lateral side. You can see the glow of the Gel Kayano 14 right there. And this is the medial side. Ayan. The tongue consists of this A6 branding as well as the heel tab. And the outsole, pakita ko malayuan. Ayan. That's the outsole, by the way, if you can see it from afar. The midsole consists of this speckled paint of glow-in-the-dark color. There you go. Ganda. So, we've got 3 orders right now of this one. On ko lang din yung ilaw ulit para makita nyo ako. Ayan. And the lighting, of course. So, ayun, napaka-special tong A6 na to. And maraming salamat kay Sir Jess. Isa sa mga bumili sa atin na ito. Grabe yung mga release na sneakers. Sobrang gaganda. And we've got a pair here for Sir Binoy. Ayan, di ko na i-unveil. And this is a size 29.5, which translates to US 12. Nandyan sa tag. Last but not the least, we have one for Sir Jason. 28 centimeters or US 10 in A6 sizing. Grabe. So, ayun yung mga orders natin for this week. And, ang masasabi ko lang, sobrang malas natin sa, sa in-store orders. Sana talaga may makadiscover sa atin. 4 sneakers here that I'm going to unveil for you. This is the forefoot area. This is the lateral side. This is the medial side. This is the Japan tag, as you can see. You can see the iconic thumbprint of Salehi Bembury at the outsole. There you go. The insole consists of this mustard colorway. And there you have it. That's the newest release of Salehi Crocs Juniper. So that Salehi Bembury Crocs is for Sir Joel. This is a bathing ape. And this is a slide made with EVA foam. Green, size 8. This pair came from Sneaker Dunk. So it has this authentication tag, Sneaker Dunk, and underneath it is the verified authentic tag. And this is the forefoot area. This is the lateral side. This is the medial side. And this is the footbed. This is the outsole also. And the sizing is the same with the Yeezy slides. So thank you again for Sir Kent. And let us proceed with the order of Sir Mark. For Sir Mark, we have this a bathing ape white M in collaboration with Vandy the Pink from the online store. So there you go. Next for Sir Mark is this New Balance 1906 AG. This is 25.5 centimeters or 7.5 US in conversion. And of course, this came from the online store. So there you go. Thank you card. I will not unveil my address here. That's the retail price, 19,800 yen. And this is the silver colorway of the Refined Future Pack. It just came with that normal gray New Balance box. And enough talking about the boxes. Here's the shoes. This is the forefoot area. So this is the lateral side along with the Japan tag. And this is the insole. This is the heel part. And lastly, this is the outsole. Thank you again, Sir Mark, for those orders. And let us proceed with the next one. This is for Sir Russell. And for Sir Russell, so he ordered a Dr. Martens mule. That's the size. Came from the Dr. Martens website. Thus, this receipt. There you go. That's the name of my wife. Incorporated right there. This is the box of the Dr. Martens. Usual brown box that we see. I also have it there. And for this particular pair, oh wow, it's very chunky. It has this bunch of inserts. I ordered a mule that's suitable for winter conditions. As you can see, there's a Sherpa lining or Sherpa material. So this is the forefoot area. This is the lateral side. There you go. And this is the medial side. So the footbed. And the chunky outsole / midsole. It adds at least 1 inch or 1.5 inch with your height. So that's very unique. And lining inside is Sherpa material. Another feature that I want to discuss is the buttons right here at the midfoot section. And you can actually convert this one. And this is how it looks if you've converted from the mules to this sandal. A great winter shoe. So thank you again for Sir Russell. Let's start off with our online order. Isa lang nag-order, si Sir Vermin. This is the Fortnite in collaboration with Crocs. This is the forefoot area. This is the lateral side. This is the medial side. Ito yung napaka-cute na footbed. And this is the outsole. Nandun din yung kanyang conversion. sa sizes. And ito naman yung Japan tag. Here we can see that it is attached with this string. Pwede nyo palang tanggalin to. And underneath it, there's a new design. Ito yung kanyang itsura. Kitang-kita nyo yung rib cage and kung ano man to sa forefoot area. Ayan. Napakaganda and maraming salamat kay Sir Vermin sa inyong order. So, Ma'am Princess wants to get this Polar Tech bag. Napakaganda nitong bag. Sobrang sarap hawakan itong material na ito. Ayan, that's the Polar Tech material. Naglabas din pala sila ng jacket nito. Pero itong bag, ang cute-cute niya. Parang cylindrical shape yung ano niya, pagka-forma niya. So, ayun yung itsura niya sa taas. It's only secured with this cinch cord. Ayan. So, tamang-tama siya sa mga galaan. Meron siyang pocket dito, Velcro pocket dito sa harap. Ayan. And yung loob napaka-spacious. Huwag nyo lang baliktarin siguro. Kasi baka mahulog yung mga contents. Lalo na pag, kunwari, mga sobrang liliit. Kasi kahit na naka-cinch cord siya, meron pa rin siyang allowance doon para lumabas yung mga gamit. So, maraming salamat kay Ma'am Princess. So, meron pa dito. This is for Sir McCoy. And ito rin yung in-order niya. Hindi ko nabubuksan. And this beanie, it says here, Supreme New York. Ayan. Free size naman ng beanie. Maganda rin yung quality niya. Kitang-kita niyo naman yung knitted material. Ayan. So, for me, gusto ko rin mag-beanie kaya lang hindi siya bagay sa akin. Mas bagay sa akin yung mga caps. And maraming salamat kay Sir McCoy sa patuloy na tiwala as well as Ma'am Princess. Etong Supreme Hanes naman, this is for Sir Binoy, medium, for boxer briefs, nakalagay doon. Ayan. So maganda rin yung quality nito since Supreme Hanes ito. And bang for your buck since 4 pieces ang nasa loob. Kaya yun, kung gusto nyo ng hype ng mga boxer brief, message nyo lang ako. Next natin is yung mga gel Kayano. For Supreme, ito pala yung mga prices. Papakita ko lang for transparency, no? And ayan yung boxer brief, 7,700 yen. Yung classic logo na beanie, 6,600 yen. And lastly, the Polar Tech sling bag, nakalagay dito is 17,600. No. It's actually 8,800 since 2 pieces, kaya ganun. Ayan. Yung mga retail price nila in yen. Sana hindi na magtaas si Supreme. Ang next natin is a pair of Asics, and this is for Sir Hannibal. Parang yung Hannibal Lecter. And this is the Gel Kayano 14 Cream/Whisper Green colorway. Ayan. And ito pala ay Atmos exclusive. Nirelease lang siya dito sa Japan. Ito yung box ng 28 centimeters. Lagay lang natin to dito. And i-charge lang natin to sa ilaw. Next is the 27 centimeters. Ayan. Para sa anak niya. That's the forefoot area. This is the lateral side. This is the medial side. Ito yung Japan tag. Ito naman yung insole. Heel tab is this one. So, heel tab ganito. And yung kanyang outsole is this one. Hindi nyo ako makita pero ito yung hawak ko. So, this is the forefoot area. This is the lateral side. Ayan. And this is the medial side. Ito yung kanyang tongue. Heel tab. And of course, the semi-translucent outsole. There you go. Actually, I'm going to review this one. I bought one for review. This is my pair. Ayan, Gel Kayano 14. I just learned from the store that this is true to size. So, kung ano yung size sa Nike Dunk, Jordan 1, mga Jordans, same lang siya with this Kayano 14. For me, since narrow-footed. Pero pag pag wide-footed kayo, I suggest to go half size up. Palagi naman ganun para may allowance na yung paa nyo para makahinga. Ngayon naman kailangan ko magsuot ng gloves kasi napaka-delicate nitong i-unbox natin. Fortunately, si Sir Ian, yung bumili itong mga 4 na Burberrys, ano siya, nagbigay siya ng permission to open these items. This is the, what's the Skydance Animation Lock Burbrick, 400 and 100%. Ito yung kanyang box. And I will just open it up below here. So, unang-una, meron siya ditong certifying genuine product paper. Ayan. Sa likod niyan may QR code. So, ganito siya. Ito yung 400%. Ayan. May mga coins doon, kaya lang it's made of plastic. And dito naman sa likod, may nakalagay na SDA or Skydance Animation. Nandun din yung kanilang website. All throughout the Burbrick, makikita nyo yung kanyang cloverleaf design. Ayan. Ito naman yung kanyang likod. Ito yung harap. And yung 100%, meron din siyang nakalagay dun sa loob ng mga coins. Ayan. Same na same with that 400%. For the Astro Boy, ganito yung box niya. Pansin ko, mga chrome version, ganito lang kasimple yung box. Tapos may nakalagay na image. So, Astro Boy is called Atom Man or Atomu dito sa Japan. Kaya, kung magtatanong kayo na Astro Boy, hindi alam ng staff yon. It's either magbigay na lang kayo ng image sa kanila or sabihin nyo lang Atom. Quick tip lang sa mga naghahanap ng mga Astro Boy dito na stuff sa Japan. Meron din siya ditong authentication paper. This is interesting kasi ito yung kanyang itsura. This is the chrome version. Mapapansin natin na itong part na to, pati dito, at saka yung legs niya, yung thigh, it's covered with this bronze hue, ayan, na metallic. Pagdating dito sa ears niya, magkaiba, silver yung nilagay nila. But still, it's good. Napakagandang Burbrick. Okay na okay ito pag magsa-start kayo ng collection kasi yung mga gantong klaseng Burbrick nagtataas sa value. And ganito naman yung 100% niya. So, that's Astro Boy Chrome version. So, sa Ape Burbrick, ito yung 10th anniversary nila. And medyo yung box niya, matingkad yung kulay. I do not know this feature dito sa Ape Burbrick na to, pero I think nagla-light up siya. Ayan yung instructions. Hindi ko na kita yung last na order natin na may ganito pala. Yung huli pala kasi nag-order nito si Sir Jules, yung dating VIP client natin. Hindi niya pinabuksan kaya wala akong alam dun sa contents na nasa loob. Pero, ayun, eto siya. Meron din siyang authentication paper dun. So, this one lights up. Bagay na bagay ito sa mga, madidilim na room. And ito siya. So, this is the Ape Burbrick in collaboration with Medicom. And, ganda. So, yung buong material niya is, chrome. Nakalagay yung branding dito sa likod ng ape. And yung face niya is this one. Para siyang Sorayama, if familiar kayo doon. So, ito naman yung 100%. Ayan. So, may napakaliit na lettering doon sa likod. 10th anniversary. Ito pala yung paglalagyan ng baterya. So, ayan. Removable to. Hindi lang siya pinush na maigi. Ayan. Kaya, take note kung bibili kayo nito, siguraduhin yung nasa maayos na paligid. Baka mawala nyo or baka matapakan nyo. Kaya ganun. Mag-ingat-ingat din sa mga bibili. So, dito sa likod, meron siyang wheel dito na pwede yung itoggle. Pag gusto nyong lakasan yung ilaw sa loob and hinaan or i-off. Hindi ko alam. Hindi siya kita sa camera pero meron siya ditong translucent part sa gilid. Hindi siya kita eh. Parang sa actual lang siya kita. Medyo weird yung Burbrick na to. And last but not the least, ito yung pinakagusto ko kasi pwede ka mag-music dito. Ito yung speaker na Burbrick. Nakalagay dito, it's highly flammable. Kaya ingat-ingat lang din. Ito yung kanyang box. So, ito yung outer box niya. I think this is a special box. Ilabas ko lang. Ingat-ingat tayo. Ayan. Ganito yung itsura ng kanyang box. So, unfortunately, we cannot open this one kasi sabi ng ating client, si Sir Ian, i-unbox niya rin ito for his own. That's pearl white, by the way. Ito pala yung details about this one. At least, diba? Meron pa rin tayong order kahit na sobrang pangit na mga release sa Supreme. Napakataas din kasi ng retail. So, yun. Maraming salamat kay Sir Ian. And, lagay ko lang to dito. Good day, this is Ferdy again, and today is November 28th. That's Thursday, by the way. And we have 3 orders that came earlier in our house. First off, we have an order for Sir Jess. This is a Pitaka iPhone 16 Pro Max case. There you go. That's the packaging. And this is the box. And for our next order, this is for Sir Ian. And he ordered 2 bear bricks from Sneaker Dunk. And I'll just unveil them to you. This is his order. And this is the authentication card. There you go. Certifying that this is a genuine product. This is a collaboration with Milky. And the other one is just a 400% Manekineko box. There you go. And it came with this verified authentic tag, sticker, for both of the bear bricks. We have this Milky. This is a chrome bear brick, by the way. You can see the 100% over here, as well as the 400% right here. A very beautiful pair of toys. Wow. So this one, it only came with this 400% bear brick. But you can see, it's like the Lucky Charm when you go to the Chinese restaurants. From what I know, this is glow in the dark. You can still see the details. A great bear brick by Sir Ian, by the way. Hello guys, so today is Sunday and pumunta tayo pala kanina ng Nagashimas Palan, yung premium outlets doon. And meron kasi nagpa-hook sa atin, si Ma'am Reggie Sai. And this is what she ordered from us. This is the Voss Quad in the black colorway. US 8 men's, actually US 8 women's, UK 6 yung size nito. Price, discounted na yan since it's Black Friday sale. And ito yung kanyang pair. 4-foot area. Ayan, this is the medial side. Ito yung lateral side. Hindi ko natatanggalin yung inserts. Ito pala yung likod niya and ito yung outsole. So, napakagandang pair. And ire-ready ko lang to for shipping. Next natin is yung Crocs na dumating kanina. And ito yung ating in-order. Card from Crocs. Ayan. Pause nyo lang para mabasa nyo. And ito yung kabila. This is the size. Ayan. And ito yung itsura ng Juniper. So that's the 4-foot area. This is the lateral side. This is the medial side. And ito yung kanyang tongue, heel tab, and outsole. So maraming salamat kay Ma'am Jana. Ang next natin is yung in-order natin sa Saturday. Well, it's actually few items, but sobrang mamahal. We have this Frazetta, Frank Frazetta Supreme. Both XL. This is for Sir Ren. And ito yung naka-plastic na. Pero ito yung itsura niya sa actual. Maraming salamat sa VIP client natin na si Sir Ren. And meron tayo ditong order sa vape. So, itong vape na to is for Sir Eric. Ito siya yung katakana tea. Ayan, vape head logo. Ang next natin is for Sir Jacob. Referred to by Sir J.E. So, magkaibigan sila ni Sir J.E. Yung bumibili sa atin palagi ng ng Vape Shark hoodie. Ito yung binili ni Sir Jacob. ABC camo, pink and blue shirt, pati yung shorts. Bali, ito itsura niya. Ayan. And ito naman yung blue. Ito naman yung shorts. Ayan. Maraming salamat kay Sir Jacob, yung first time buyer natin. And next is the lighter case, clear case. Meron din palang vape lighter. Ayan. Medyo mahirap lang mag-ship ng lighter, pero kaya naman magawa ng paraan. Bali, ganito siya. This is the lighter case. Ayan. Cool. And next is for Sir Mark. This is the Vape Red hoodie keychain. Napaka-cute na keychain. Ayan. Pwede yung ilagay sa figurine. So, may opening siya doon. For Sir Julian, this is the A6 Gel Kayano Yakutake. So, itong kay Sir Julian, ito yung box, of course. Classic A6 box, and yung kanyang pair costs 26,450 yen. Ganun talaga yung price niya kasi this is a Japan exclusive sneaker. Tapos, meron din siyang hints ng glow in the dark. So, bali ito ang kanyang pair. This is the forefoot area. This is the lateral side. And this is the medial side. Kasama yung Japan tag dyan. Of course, the insole, yung tongue na nakababa doon. Kasi medyo tight yung laces. Ayan. Tapos, ito ay yung heel tab. The semi-translucent outsole. Ayan. And dun sa midfoot na guard, yung translucent na midfoot na guard nandun. And bali, ayun. So, ito yung forefoot area. This is the lateral side. This is the medial side. Ito yung tongue. Tapos, yung midsole niya, hindi halata, pero from what I can see here, in my hand, may speckle siya ng glow in the dark. Hindi siya halata sa camera eh. Ito pala yung kanyang outsole. So, yun. Napakagandang pair. Maraming salamat kay Sir Julian. Si Sir Ian, yung nagpakuha sa atin ng mga mamahaling Burberrys. Gusto niyang magpakuha ng mga very limited items from the Medicom brand. And meron tayo dito. Fortunately, may malapit sa atin and friends ko rin yung MFC staff. Kaya yun, meron tayo ditong MFC store exclusive. Nabibili lang tong Burberry na to sa 4 locations. Ito yung 5th anniversary nila. Ayan. Ganito yung kanyang packaging. Ayan. So, lagay lang natin yung box dito sa tabi. Ito yung kanyang authentication card. And i-unveil ko lang itong mga Burberrys. This is a 400 and 100% set. Uunahin ko muna pakita is yung 400%. So, ganito ang 400% niya. Maganda siya pang display. May mga speckle siya ng gold all throughout the Burberry. Ayan. Translucent. Ito yung MFC store na logo. Tapos ito naman yung classic na MFC store branding nila. So, ayan. Yan yung 400%. Meron din siyang kasamang 100% dito. Patabi. Ayan siya. There you go. Ganda. So, ang next natin is for Ma'am Alex. Si Ma'am Alex, bigla na lang niya akong chinat dahil nag-post ako sa aking page. Ilang beses ko rin ito na-unveil dati. May mga nag-order din kasi dati nito. Yung mga past VIP clients natin. And this is the COS Time Off. Pagbukas, meron siyang protective material dito. And nakabalot siya ng plastic. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano nag-work. So, ganyan. Tatanggalin nyo to. Lagay lang natin dito sa ng box. Ayun, may silica gel yan para ma-absorb niya yung moisture. Ito naman yung kanyang figurine. So, may permission tayo, of course, na buksan ito. And ito ang kanyang itsura. Ayan. So, that's the COS Time Off. Ganda. Sobrang ganda. And dito sa baba yung other details for this figurine. Maraming salamat ulit kay Ma'am Alex for this one. Meron pa siyang pina-order pero siguro sa next week na lang natin yun i-unveil. Okay, so ang next natin is yung Royal Selangor. If you're not familiar with Royal Selangor, papakita ko na sa inyo. It will speak for itself. So this is a collaboration with Bape Play and Royal Selangor. There you go. Ito yung box niya. Gintong-ginto. So may hint din kayo ng item din sa loob. Meron siyang Royal Selangor branding dito sa loob. Para siyang shoebox. Kasing laki lang ng shoebox dito sa likod. So, itong box na to, parehas lang siya ng box na nakita nyo dito, yung Timberland boots na yun. Ang hirap lang niya buksan kasi hindi siya katulad ng ibang box na slide box na natatanggal agad, which is good para ring naka-protect talaga tong box niya. Kasi yung item sa loob, sobrang mamahalin talaga as in. Ayan, 24 karat gold. Ano to? Gilding? I'm not familiar with those words. I'll not delay you guys. Ito siya. Ang ganda, sobra. Sobrang bigat niya. Ang bigat-bigat niya. Hindi ko alam kung ilang kilos to. Pero hindi naman tayo mahirapan kasi meron naman tayong katulong sa shipping. Ang bigat. Sobrang bigat. Ito yung itsura ng Bear Brick. So, this is how it looks. So, you can see the shark head logo right there of Bape since this is a collaboration. Triple collaboration, by the way, with Royal Selangor, Bear Bricks, and Bape. So, may nakalagay dito sa likod yung WGM, which means World Gone Mad. And ang bigat, grabe, para kang pwedeng mag-workout. Bubuhatin mo lang to. So, ayan siya. Ganda. Royal Selangor. Yun nakalagay sa baba, yung mga branding. Grabe, napaka-intricate ng details. Ngayon lang din ako nakahawak ng ganito kamahal na item. Ito ata yung pinakamahal ko na nabili so far. From Bape. Or anything na nabenta ko dito sa channel. One item, grabe. And dito na tayo nagtatapos. Balik ko lang muna yung yung Bear Brick.
Ayun lahat ng orders natin from November 16 up to November 30. Bali, sobrang dami nating in-unbox and in-unveil. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa lahat is yung Royal Selangor. Medyo delicate lang talaga siya and maraming salamat sa nag-order nun. If you want to order guys, please message me at our Facebook and Instagram page. And if you want updates regarding the next releases of Supreme, please mag-subscribe kayo dito sa YouTube channel ko. And this is Ferdy again. I just want to thank all of you, my viewers, my subscribers, sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta, my friends, my family, my wife, my best friend, and this is me signing out. Bye-bye!